Hey, this is Wayne from the Anchor Room. Today we're going to be going over a quick install video on our front side marker tint for the new 2024 S650 Mustangs. No matter what trim level Mustang you get, it's going to have this obnoxious, ugly orange reflector, and same for the red rear side marker reflectors. We're going to go over a video right now of how to darken that out with our front side marker tint kit. You're going to need a microfiber towel, water, application fluid, which the formula to make it is in the instructions you'll get with this tint, a felt tip squeegee or a yellow Superflex squeegee. Both are available on our website. That one just comes down to preference. One works better than the other. It really depends on just what you prefer, as well as a heat gun. So let's get started. First thing, make sure the lens and the surrounding area is clean of any dirt, debris, grime, anything like that. You might pick up a little more since the tire is right there. Just make sure it's clean prior to installation. We're going to spray a little bit of application formula just on the full area around it. Peel the tint from the backing paper and spray it with water. You're going to line up how you want it. The application formula will let you move it around. Just get it perfect set on there. Then with one hand, I'm going to hold the top and spray what you pulled up. Get that application formula gone. Once you have that, repeat it on the other side. Make sure you get everything gone and peel it back up. Now that it's stuck on there, I'm going to use a felt tip squeegee and wrap a microfiber towel in it. And then have my thumb right on it, applying pressure, just trying to work all of the air and water out of it. Next, we're going to take a heat gun, give it a second to warm up, and we're just going to work at the corners and just getting them to conform in. You will notice that you have text on the markers at the top as well as the bottom. Sadly, the tint is just going to wrap over that, and make sure that you go over it with a heat gun to get it to really conform into there. As you can see, the text is becoming more and more available. But just make sure you have all of that air and water out. And I'm going to take that felt tip squeegee and microfiber towel, put some heat gun on it, and form it into there. The front side markers don't take that long to do. It's probably a 15-20 minute install A to Z. But that quick little install is going to really transform the look of your S650 and make it look night and day better. If you do mess up any lenses, if you got our front and rear kit and you messed up one of the lenses on it, make sure to take advantage of our Groove-Proof guarantee. It lets you get specific pieces replaced at a discounted cost. Saves you a lot than needing to repurchase an entire kit and spend the money on an entire kit for just needing one or two pieces. But that is really all it is to it. We'll attach some videos at the end showing you the completed product. It pairs awesome with our headlight tint. Makes for a really good murdered out look, especially on these black Mustangs. If you have any questions about installation, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're available by phone call, or you can visit our website and submit an inquiry, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you, and have a great day.